Welcome to my channel. You're in digital marketpreneur, and in this channel we talk about affiliate marketing, ways to make money online, and the mindset. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit that button that says subscribe. Also hit the notification button and the bell notification button so you guys know when I release my videos, when I release them. And in this video I'm going to show you an easy strategy, and it's free, how you guys can earn $100 doing affiliate marketing. It's very simple, everything's free, but it requires you guys to do the work. Okay, so this is something that the commissions are 100% commissions. This is the best, I believe, product there's in the market right now, where you guys can actually earn $100 for every person that clicks through your link and actually purchase this product. Okay, so the first thing you guys need to do is you guys need to go to the Clickfunnels affiliate sign up webpage. Once you sign up, they actually going to review your application, because they changed it now since there were a lot of things going on last year. And it's something that I like, because it makes you work really hard to promote their products, because they're quality products. So if you don't know what the One Funnel Away Challenge, it's a 30-day free, it's a 30-day training that it costs $100. So you guys will learn how to create bonuses, how to publish, and learn how to build a funnel from scratch. And if you guys want to know my thoughts on it, and when I went through last year, there's gonna be a video that's gonna come up here when I explain to you my takes on the One Funnel Away Challenge. If you're interested in taking it before you even promote this product, there's a link in the description and you guys can go take it. It comes every 2 weeks, so you guys cannot miss out on it. It's always open every 2 weeks. So after you guys get approved from Clickfunnels, usually takes about 48 hours, you're gonna end up in this page. Okay, and the first thing we gotta go look is for the One Funnel Away Challenge. You're gonna click on this button right here, and it's gonna take you into this page. Now this is your affiliate link. Okay, and then as you can see right here, your potential earnings, you earn $100 for everybody that enrolls in the One Funnel Away Challenge from your affiliate link. Now you're gonna get this link. Okay, you gotta copy it, and then you're going to bit.ly.com. you shorten your link because this is a little bit too long, and then you're gonna copy it. Okay, you're gonna paste it, and it's gonna shorten it. They're gonna give you an address like this. Okay, so then you have that, you're gonna copy that, you're gonna save it. And the third thing you need to do is we're gonna go a website that is called thefreedomatforum.com. You can actually sign up completely for free. Okay, so once you sign up and you get approved, you're gonna click on publish your ad for free, and this is the page that's gonna come up. Okay, so you're gonna click and put work from home. You're gonna add your title and your description, and I'm gonna show you the one that I wrote, and give you a couple more examples of what you guys can use to promote the One Funnel Away Challenge. And then you're gonna put the price tag, which is $100, right? Then you can click and drop images, and I'm gonna show you where you guys can get that too. And then you pick your country, region, and city. Now there's so many cities, guys, and there's so many countries that you guys can put as many ads as you want. And then if you see right here, please visit our website, this is where you guys are gonna take this link right here that you just copy it, and you are going to paste it right here. Now one of the things that I did is, you see, they have a YouTube video where you can actually show them about something about the product. Now I went to the One Funnel Away Challenge on YouTube, and here is the video where he explains the One Funnel Away Challenge, and they can make $100 a day as a Clickfunnels affiliate. You guys can actually take that video and paste it right here, and I'm gonna show you the one that I actually published. Now I went and I wrote interested in $100 up to $500. Then I took one of the pictures there in the actual affiliate link, and I wrote, do you want to start an online business? Do you know what a funnel is? Are you familiar with affiliate marketing? This is a 30-day training that can teach you the skills to do both. This training will teach you a new set of skills if you are a true beginner, or even if you have tried in the past and have failed. This is great for those that don't have their own products, and even better if you have an idea to make an offer or bring your business online, which it works for all that. Will you take the One Funnel Away challenge? You are only one funnel away. You can start working from home and earn $100 up to $500 and I learned so much from this training that I'm scaling my business. Click on the link below. Training starts every 2 weeks. Don't miss out. If you want to hear success stories about this training, go to the One Funnel Away stories on Spotify, iTunes, or any other app for podcasts. And this is the link to the One Funnel Away challenge page. And this is the video where the One Funnel Away challenge shows you how can you earn $100, but you also go through the One Funnel Away. Now we're gonna go back to the actual affiliate program, and as you can see, here's the picture, right? And another idea that I can give you is, since you can put as many free ads as possible, they're giving you a swipe of emails. So you can literally use the body of these emails, and you can put join the One Funnel Away challenge with me. Do you accept the challenge? And people are gonna be like, well, this is a work from home business, what it is. Wanna do this cool challenge with me? I just joined the coolest 30-day challenge. And this will get people excited and think, well, what is the challenge? Well, how can I start an online business in 30 days? So as you can see, guys, the best thing that you guys can do is go through this training yourself. And once you go through this training, you actually can create bonuses that you guys can give away to these people so they can, be more excited and join the challenge, right? And also, one of the things that I want to teach you in my training is not just to paste the affiliate links. Yeah, I know that this is the strategy that I'm teaching you right now if you need to start right now, but it's better if you sign up into an email autoresponder. There's a 30-day free trial in the link in the description for GetRespond, which is the one that I love to use. Create an easy landing page with these images, and instead of pasting right here, right, instead of using this link to go directly to the affiliate link, create that landing page, collect the email, and then send them to the affiliate link. But also you will be able to retarget them with your email autoresponder. Send them 2 or 3 emails, just tell them, hey, the challenge is here, the challenge will be here, go join. And it's the best way that you guys can start creating an online business from scratch. But yet again, the best way, if you guys don't know anything about the One Funnel Away challenge, go take the challenge. Also, if you want the challenge for half a price, the video is coming right after it, and I explain it to you how you guys can get the training for half the price. Then you're actually investing at $50, and then you can go promote it and make those $50 back plus $50 because you're getting $100 if people go through that link. So with that being said, guys, I hope this strategy helps you. I hope this strategy helped you and you go and take advantage of it. It's 100%, it's $100. With that being said, guys, I will see you in the next one.